Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So today what we're going to be looking at is this month's October Birchbox. Okay, so as ever, I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to be doing that with you guys. Hi Jake. Yeah, I knew you wouldn't sit. I knew you wouldn't just sit. No. Hi. You gonna help? Do you want to open it? Oh, Jackie's helping. Right, I'm gonna shift you. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Thank you. Come on. Come. Okay, so as I was saying before Jake interrupted, we are going to be opening the box together. I haven't opened it. I haven't seen any of the products. Well, tell a lie. I know that there is a sheet mask in here because we got to choose this month between a gold and a silver sheet mask, and I chose the gold one. So I will just speed through me opening this as usual. So we'll just open it and take a little look together. Okay, so here is the box. Let's take a look. It says days like these in pretty gold writing. You see the light reflecting. It's got a lovely little floral pattern around the edge and a blue and white stripe. It looks quite autumnal and very pretty. And this month we have like a pink draw. So we'll take a little look together. I'll just open the box and show a little sneak peek of what's inside, and then we will go through the products one by one. Oh, so to start with, we've got our little leaflet, and then inside there are the products. It looks like a full box this month. Can't really tell much from here, but we will go through individually one by one. So just a little reminder that this is a monthly subscription. It costs £10 a month and it is £2.95 postage. So it effectively costs me £12.95. And inside there are always 5 beauty treats, be it skincare, hair care, makeup. So looking forward to seeing what's in this month's box. Okay then, so this month's theme looks to be days like these, and the little write-up says, "Hello Birchboxers. Following a hectic summer, we're welcoming the new season with a change of pace. Emblazoned on this month's box, Days Like These is all about embracing autumnal nostalgia in the best way possible. Slowing down, cozying up at home and indulging in the first of many pumpkin spice lattes. So sit back, relax and meet the beauty treats that will be joining you on your journey into autumn." So that all sounds really lovely. So let's take a little look at the products. Okay then, so our first item is the item that we knew about, our little sneak peek from last month's box, and the item that we actually got to choose should we want to, and it's the Beauty Pro Thermotherapy Warming Gold Foil Mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10. And I actually did choose this month. I haven't chose the last few months, so that's interesting. There was this one and a silver one, and this one I just thought sounded nicer and a bit more what I was after. Although the silver one did sound nice, and I think I chose the right one though. So the little write-up on this one says, firstly, that it is a full-size product, so that is good, but then you can't really have a sheet mask that's not a full-size product, otherwise it'd be like my nose strip. Okay, so the Beauty Pro Thermotherapy Warming Gold Foil Mask. This high-tech sheet mask is infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid and regenerating Q10. Its self-warming foil helps ingredients to deeply penetrate the skin, improve elasticity, reduce fine lines and boost glow. Apply it to clean skin, leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove and massage in any excess serum. So I'm actually quite looking forward to this. I love a sheet mask. I've just picked up one that looks like a panda. That is the cutest thing. But this is gold and I think this will be nice. I will try maybe and put this in a video, or I guess I need to do like a first impression video, so I will put it in that. So impressed so far with our first item. Okay then, our next item is a strobing balm in Radiant Pink by Winky Looks. Now I've heard of this brand, but I've never actually tried anything from them. It's got a cute little package with some gold foil writing. It's not a full size, but the full size retails at £15. It is a very tiny little sample size. So it says, this cruelty-free highlighter glides onto skin with ease thanks to its creamy texture for a beautiful glow and reflective sheen wherever you apply it. Use your sponge or your fingers to blend onto skin wherever you want to add radiance. Try on your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose and on your cupid's bow. Okay, so first impressions is for a highlighter, it looks a little dark for me. I'm not usually one to use creamy highlighters, I do prefer a powder highlight, but it does look pretty and I can see it's kind of sheeny. Let's just have a little try of that now then. Okay, so it doesn't go on as pigmented as I thought it might. I will just show you if you can see, I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it's rather golden with a pinky tinge. It's quite subtle, I have built that up a little bit, so no, it's quite pretty, and I have heard good things about Winky Looks before, so I'm quite looking forward to trying it. I will try it on my face. Like I say, I'm not one for using like balms and liquid highlighters. I do prefer a powder highlight because I like to mattify my face down after I've applied my foundation with my Lottie London Ready Set Go powder. So it's nice, it's a brand I'd like to try, so I'm happy with it, but again, it's not necessarily best suited to me, I don't know, but I think it's a nice little product. Right, our next item is a Mica Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and it's just a little tube. Again, it's not a full size, it is just a little mini. We get 20 mils in here, so I think that'll be enough to maybe run through my hair one time, because I do have a lot of hair. It's driving me crazy today, it's all over the place. So this one at full price retails at £20, but full size is 250 mils, so it's over 10 times this size. So the little write-up on this says, fight split ends and dryness and improve overall hair health, that's quite a mouthful, with this pampering all-natural mask. Omega-rich sea buckthornberry works to intently hydrate strands, repair damage and seal frayed ends. After shampooing, just slather it on generously from the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair and leave for 5-10 minutes, then rinse away. So that'll be really nice. I am kind of overdue a haircut at the minute, so this will be really nice on my hair. It is just probably going to be a little one-use thing, but it sounds really nice, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay then, so next in our little book of treats, we have a Daily Concepts multifunctional charcoal soap sponge. Okay, so that's this thing. Oh, it's okay. It's really kind of heavy and quite solid. Interesting, and again, this is a full-size item, but I'm guessing it's the type of thing that has to be a full-size item also. It says this 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a detoxifying charcoal cleanser with a gentle exfoliating sponge. So you can skip a step in your skincare routine. Wet the sponge, squeeze it to create a foam and then lather up. The charcoal will gently purify and balance all skin types. After rinsing, clean, bask in a squeaky clean feeling. Or after rinsing clean, bask in a squeaky clean feeling. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure if you're supposed to put this on your face. Well, it says exfoliating, so you must have to use it on your face. I'm guessing it's more than just wetting it. You're going to have to soak it because that's solid. I don't really fancy rubbing that on my face, but it is something a little bit different, and I always like something a little bit different, so I'm quite excited to try it. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. I think it's an interesting little addition to our box. It's something a bit different. I always like something a little different, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And this one is £6 at full retail price, and like I said, it is a full-size item. Okay then, so our next item looks like it's another full-size item, and it's a Schmidts Bergamot and Lime deodorant. I'm saying Schmidt and all I'm thinking about is you girl. So, and his hair chutney. Right then, the little write-up on this says, show your underarms some love with this no nasties deodorant made from 100% all natural ingredients and amazing essential oils. It smells incredible. This effective formula uses plant-based powders instead of aluminium to neutralise scent and absorb dampness. Apply to underarms in the morning and stay dry all day. Okay then, so let's give that a sniff. I can't get the top off. Just straight onto my nose. It does smell really nice, so it's very limey. And I do like the smell of a lime. It's citrusy limey. I'm not entirely sure what bergamot smells like, to be perfectly honest with you. But definitely limey. So, and I think a citrus smells quite a fresh smell, so I suppose it might be quite nice as a deodorant. But I am really fussy about deodorant smells, and I tend to, I'll use one for a while and then I'll decide I don't like that smell anymore, and then I'll use another one. So we'll wait and see. I don't usually use a stick, but I know a stick is better for the environment than like an antiperspirant spray that I use. It looks like a good old size. It's very stiff. It's true. I'm not going to wind it all the way up, but it looks like you get a good amount. Just don't know why I felt the need to do that. Oh my god, I've got lipstick around the edge of this. Okay, so another full-size item, so it's nice to have 3 full sizes in this month's box. So I'll give it a try, but like I say, I'm quite fussy with deodorant, so we shall see. And I've probably just got lipstick on it. Okay, so our last item is a little, like, very small sample size packet, and it's the Lumen Hydration Recharge Overnight Cream. It just says on here that you're getting a little something extra. So it's nice, like I say, we usually only get 5 items, so it's nice that they're throwing in a little extra thing. And they couldn't give you this as one of your 5 items because it is very small. You get 2 mils in here. This is something more you'd expect from a Feel Unique pick and mix or something. So this one says then, lock in moisture from the dusk till dawn with this rich moisturiser that promises to nourish tired skin and restore radiance while you sleep. With rich shea butter and birch sap work in harmony to hydrate, leaving your complexion feeling boosted, recharged and revitalised for the day ahead. Apply to the face and neck in the evening after cleansing. So like I say, I don't think we'll get much use out of this, maybe one night. So it's nice, again, something nice to try. It's very, like I say, Feel Unique sample size. But it's a nice little addition, something a bit extra to your box, so that's very nice of them. Okay then, so that's our box this month. We had a lovely little design on the front, very autumnal, which is nice, I do like that. And then inside we have 6 products this month, which is something a little different. Like I say, they couldn't have included this as one of the 5 products because it is just that small. But I think it's a really nice box. I'm so excited to use the sheet mask, thermal gold one, so we'll see what that's like. The charcoal sponge is something a little different, a little crazy, so happy to try that one. Winky Looks is a brand that I've heard nice things about and would like to try, but I'm not sure the product is necessarily something suited to me, but we shall see what it is like. The conditioner or hair mask sounds really nice, and it's something my hair could probably do with at the moment, in all honesty, so that'll be a great little one. And the deodorant is a good old size product for this box, so I'm happy with that. Did I actually mention how much that was? Full size, so that one is £10.50, so you're getting your money's worth for the box with just this. So happy with that then. I'm not sure I'll be happy with the actual product, but you never know until you try. Okay then, so that's this month's box. Let's just take a little look and see if there's a sneak peek on the back of the leaflet. And there is. There is a November sneak peek, so if you don't want to know, look away now. And this one is a Mica, and I do like their products. I've had a couple in the Birchbox before. And it is a Diamond Dust Rollerball eyeshadow worth £15. And you get a choice between 2 colours, Pixie and Enchanted. And it says to add shimmering colour to your eyelids with these easy to use rollerballs, perfect for party season. Keep an eye on your inbox and pick your favourite. So they look really nice. Like I say, I've tried the brand before and I really like the brand, and I love eye products, so that'll be great. And anything that seems to be easy to use and a little bit different, so the rollerball sounds fun. Okay, so that's everything from this month's box. What I will just say is I have ordered the advent calendar from Birchbox, and I plan on doing an unboxing, the whole thing with you guys. What I might actually do is 2 separate videos and have a non-spoilery one in case anybody's bought it and doesn't want to see, and I'll just kind of tell you a little bit about it. And then I'll do a main one where I'm going to unbox the whole entire thing in one go and share with you what's inside. So I think that'll be fun. And then I think what I plan on doing is in December, when I get the advent calendar, I will maybe do a video a day about each product individually. So again, thank you very much for watching. If you have liked the video, then please hit that likes button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe. It would be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video, thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.